Samsung Eye Comfort Shield reduces eye strain, improves sleep, and gives comfort in low-light environments. So, here is how to enable or disable Eye Comfort Shield on your Samsung phone. Look no further, in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable Eye Comfort Shield on your device. So, let's dive in. First, go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Display. Here, you can see the Eye Comfort Shield option under the Motion Smoothness. Then tap on it. First, make sure to toggle it on. After that, you will see two options, Adaptive and Custom. Adaptive means automatically adjust your screen's colors based on the time of the day. If you tap on Custom, then you can set a schedule and you can adjust the color temperature as well. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, then write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.